In this video, I show how to make fork tender foil boat pork steaks. So let's get to it.
Well, hello everyone. Happy 4th of July as we celebrate this 250 years of the America experiment. I hope everyone's having a fun and happy 4th. Back in my backyard, not competing this month. We're taking the month off. So, giving my team some deserved rest. They've earned it. And today, I am making pork steaks. My wife's favorite. I'm making some good old-fashioned pork steaks. Love pork steaks. They're the pork shoulder that's been sliced up into steaks. Can't beat it. It's delicious. Some of the best barbecue you'll ever have will be some pork steaks. Now I'm going to be cooking these on my 700 D3 from Z Grills. Z Grills has a new promotion going on. Link will be in the description for it. Check it out. And as always, I'm going to be using Bear Mountain Barbecue pellets for this cook. Love Bear Mountain Barbecue. Love being an ambassador for the company. Some of the best pellets you can buy. If you can get these, get them. And right now, you can find them at Home Depot. That's right, you can find them at Home Depot. You can find their gourmet blend at Home Depot. Excellent price for it. Check it out. Way better than any other pellets on the market. They're better than the Traeger pellets, better than the Pit Boss pellets, better than the Z Grills pellets. Sorry, Z Grills, just gotta be honest. But check them out. Great product. And since today is the 4th of July, I'm going to show you which pellets I'm going to be using. So I'll be right back while we go ahead and get these pellets up in that Z Grill. Today's the 4th of July. I'm going to be using the Bear Mountain Barbecue with red, white, and barbecue bag of pellets right here. Hickory oak blend. I love this flavor. I used it last year. It's great. Let's go ahead and get this. Let's get this up into the hopper. Here's our beautiful pork steaks. Big, thick cut pork steaks. Love pork steaks. Now, we're going to keep the seasoning simple. We're just going to go with some Heath Riles sweet barbecue rub. Give a good coating. On both sides. And yeah, I'm laying it on just a little thick. That's okay. Because these are going to be in the smoker for a little bit. I'm not doing the sides, just the top and bottom. Pardon my fingers. All right. Gonna flip it. And then we're gonna do the other side. Forgot that was on there. Sorry, folks. I just got these out of the pack too, so I apologize for that. You notice I'm, like I said, I'm going really thick. That's okay. These are going to be in the smoker for a long time, so it's perfectly okay. But you can just get a little bit extra seasoning up on there. Once again, pat down. Top off just a little bit. Okay. Let's get over to the smoker and get these up in the smoker. Okay, let's get these up on quick. Okay, I'm going to come back in about an hour and check them. See you then. Wow, happy 4th. This just came out of nowhere. Didn't even know there was rain predicted. Um, I can't go out there right now. I will have to try to rush out there later and check the pork steaks. Yeah, folks, but I mean, as long as the hopper stays closed, the barrel should be fine. I ran this thing in the rain before. It's not ideal, but as long as you keep the hopper closed, it should be fine. So I will be out there in a little bit to check on it. Hopefully, fingers crossed. See you soon. Okay, everyone, I'm back. It looks like the rain has stopped for now. A little bit wet over there. I'm not going to touch that. Let's take a look. They're getting some really good color. These are some big old meaty pork steaks here too. Look at these bad boys, aren't they looking pretty? I'm just gonna let these keep going for about another hour. Just gonna let these keep going for about an hour. Hey everyone, let's go ahead and take a quick look. Looks like the rain is hit and miss now, so good time to take a quick look while we can. Oh wow, look at that beautiful color. These are really taking on some good color. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these up in some aluminum foil and a special ingredient I want to show you guys what I'm using this time. Be right back. Got everything laid out here on the table. First thing we're going to do is just put down a little layer of sweet barbecue rub on the foil here. Lay the pork steak up here. Make a boat, a little foil boat. I'm only single wrapping these. A little bit of butter. 3 big old huge pads of butter. And then we're going to add some Samuel Adams blueberry lager. Then we're going to wrap that up tightly. Set that to the side. let's get these back over into the smoker. Gonna let these go for like a hour and a half to 2 hours. I really want these to get nice and tender, so I'm just let them go for about a couple hours. Okay, it's close enough. I got the corn on. We're gonna do this one pack at a time. That is super tender. That is like, whew, that is literally fall apart. But you know what? That is perfectly fine. Fall apart pork steaks. Local fireworks. Guy illegals. But you know what? I'm not cop. Corky's barbecue sauce is my wife's favorite. I'm just going to let them run for about 30 minutes so that can set. Okay, let's take a look at these. Ooh, look at those beautiful foil boat pork steaks. Take these out now. Put them on this pan. Boom. Here it is. Doesn't that look pretty? Nice dark color. All right, let's see how tender is tender. That tender. All right, nice smoke ring on the meat. Let's take a taste. That is delicious. All right, well, foil boat pork steaks. Super tender, easy to make, and really good. Really delicious. Oh yeah, that's perfect. If you don't want it this tender, don't let it go for 2 hours, maybe just one. But this is really good. Foil boat pork steaks. Yummy. Happy 4th of July. Peace to you. And always remember, you're always welcome in the backyard around the grills and the smokers. See you guys later.